3 V6 fast. You know what I'm saying? So far, everything that I've done on my truck, full bolt-ons. When I first got it, I started out with the exhaust system, exhaust, intake, and then I got my headers, and then I got it tuned, and then after that I would started racing, doing some pulls, seeing how she does. After that, I got my gears, and then I started running E85, which I found out I was flex fuel for it. And then after that, it's been like that for a while. Just like that, it was doing pretty good. Getting a lot of wins. Raced a lot of trucks already. It runs pretty good, and then got a stall, 3200 stall. But right now it launches at 1500. That's where it's at right now. Anything higher will start bumping. Like bad. You're trying to burn out. I can't burn out. I need caltracs. So my differential shakes like that. But until I get my caltracs, and then later on, I'm trying to go boosted. That's what I'm trying to go for right now. All the motor is all stock. No motor work yet. It's just everything, all the add-ons. Well, yeah, and then running the 410 gears. Yeah, so everything, shorties, 410 stall off the line is pretty quick. But yeah, I don't know my 0 to 60 yet, and I don't know what I ran at the track. The last time when I ran the Amarillo, the best time was the 15. That was without the stall and half and half of E85. It was E85, and then I think like the cheap fuel or something. So it wasn't running on full 85. But we can see if we get some pulls. My favorite pulls, I love 15, 20. Those are my favorite rolls right there. I'm low end torque. My top end ain't worth it down. And then the dig. We'll do it in drive, and then we'll do it in manual. See the difference. I'll show you how I race it, how I run it. But yeah, that's everything so far. And then not only that, I wrecked my truck 2 times swinging it. My bumper in the back is trash, and then the one in the front, my bumper in the front is I wrecked it. It just has a dent where the fog light's at. It looks ugly. You know, trust the process, mijo. Like, so, yeah. Do a little walk around, pop the hood, see what's going on. But yeah, got my intake, K&N. Man, this thing, I cleaned it like 2-3 times already. Every time I clean it, it never, you can never get it. I don't know. It's always dirty. Took off the heat shield. Ported the throttle body. I did it myself. Not the manifold, just the throttle body. Shorty headers. I still have my catalytic converters that you can see. But that's her right now. That's where I hit it. I hit a pole. Swinging it too much. I drifted out. I was exiting out and then I fucking, yeah, ran into a pole. But yeah, this is what's going on right now. Yeah, I'll show you all what happened. But yeah, that's what happened. And you know, don't follow me, I do stupid stuff. But yeah, that's, you know, we gotta rock the cone, you know, trust the process. But yeah, tuned by WSLS here in Odessa, Texas, by Jesse. But yeah, shorty JBA headers. And so it has basically the motor's all stock, everything but a cam. I really want to get a cam, which I already called Jag, Summit Racing, comp cams. There's no reference number for these to make cams. I even like it hasn't been done. It would have to be made from scratch. Like, look at the stock one and go from there. But if y'all know anything, y'all let me know. Really want to cam this baby. Everything but a cam. Motor's all stock. Still have the regular AC Delco spark plugs. I heard the tuner said that they work better than MSD. The factory AC Delco are actually better for these. Stock manifold. But yeah, I only changed my spark plugs like once. But yeah, that's how she is right now. And I think that's pretty much it. And for my exhaust, I have it to the side. It's a True Duo. It's a cat back straight pipe from the cat back all the way and then to the side, to the elbow. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's it's X pipe right when it comes out to the elbow. You know, so that's what my exhaust is. Let's hear it on idle. Yeah, it's all 2.5 inch pipe. Can't go 3 inch, because if you go 3 inch on a B6, you'll already lose back pressure, so I just leave it all 2.5 inch. But my tips at 3 inch. That's on the cheap fuel, guys. I'm on cheap, the regular fuel. When it's on the E85, it's a lot more twerky on the throttle, and it chops a lot better, a lot more. Like, it's more beefier, if that makes sense. Like, it makes a big difference on the 85. But yeah, we'll see if we get some pulls. Show ya. All right, we here. All right, we're gonna start off with a dig. What you gonna see? Look, 1500. I haven't launched it on drive yet. I usually do it on manual, but we'll see. I put out bad. No, that was pretty bad. I don't know. Alright, we're gonna try 1,000. A little easy. 1,500. that's harder than the manual for some reason. Yeah, all the way to like 40, I think. I was just spazzing out. I don't know why. Maybe because I have wheel hop, or because the wheels on the back are too skinny. They're like 255. I need to go wider. That's probably why it peeled out as well. But yeah, that's how. That was a dig. Launched at 1500. Regular fuel. Actually better running out of fuel, but yeah, I slowed down on that one. Like as soon as I was spazzing out sideways, I had to let off the throttle just a little bit, and then I hit it again. But yeah, see if we can do it somewhere else. We're finna do a 15. Let's go. Right about. Damn. Nah, but I need a lot of work on my traction, so it's not hitting the best right now. Yeah, I'm gonna get some caltracs. Hopefully some wider tires on the back. I'm thinking 285 on a stock rim. So I get race stars, and then that should help me on my launch. Yeah, that was bad, but that's just a little something, you know. Besides watching the races, like that's just what it looks like right here. Every shift point is at 6,000 RPM, and then really like. Everything below 60 is quick, but after 60 it starts slowing down. I think it's my first and second gears, and my third gear is when it starts to be more sluggish. Third, fourth, no third. I think on fourth gear, because that's the time when they start fetching me. People usually fetch me, but we're usually like at 70 to 90 by the time. But yeah, anything off the line is quick. So like, I has a bunch of bottom end torque, like, but it just anything on top end it's just sluggish. It's only best made for quarter mile, since I have the 410s. Anything after that is just, though I can't do like high roads. But yeah. Like the other day, I was on the highway going to get some E85, and there was this drop truck. We're freaking going like 80 miles per hour. We're speeding next to each other, and he got next to me, and we hit it. A freaking 80-mile pulls, and then he'll pull on me and he'll start turning on his hazards. Like god damn, like really? Ain't that some shit? It wasn't too bad, but yeah, he did give me the gun. I was like, man, I wanted to catch a rematch with him off the line. Say, hey, let's catch a dig. But nah, he didn't stop. But yeah, it was pretty funny. The hell does 80 pulls in your truck, man?
Later that same evening.